A network only works if people are paid to keep it honest. Filecoin was designed around this idea from day one. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks, such as price volatility and market risks. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. Incentives matter in storage. And why is that? Data needs to stay available for years, not days. Centralized providers rely on trust and contracts. Decentralized systems rely on economic pressure. Filecoin aligns behavior. Storage providers earn rewards for hosting real data. Penalties exist for failing to store or serve it. And proof systems enforce honesty at scale. Now, what makes the network different? Open marketplace for storage, not fixed pricing. Anyone can participate as a storage provider, and the competition pushes efficiency over time. And who is Filecoin built for? It's built for developers building data-heavy applications. Also, it's built for institutions needing a verifiable storage and users thinking in multi-year horizons, not cycles. Filecoin is designed for long-term network sustainability. It focuses on verifiable work, not promises, and it appeals to builders and infrastructure-focused users. Filecoin cryptographically verifies that a unique encoding of your data exists in physical storage in the world over time. Its proof of storage are a new foundation for a decentralized network with built-in incentives that drives an internet-wide market for storing and retrieving data. And Filecoin ecosystem is looking to fund talented and eager developer teams that want to build the future of the web. They funded over 400 projects until today and awarded over $4 million. With all that in mind, we understand that Filecoin is building the next generation of cloud storage, one that is not owned by a single company. Instead of trusting one provider like Amazon or Google and having troubles like we had the Amazon Web Services shutting down a few weeks ago, data here is stored across a global network of independent storage providers. Filecoin uses the IPFS technology, which is a technology that moves and finds data. And today's internet finds data by location, which server it's on. IPFS finds data by content, what the data actually is. This makes data faster to access, harder to lose, and harder to censor because it can come from many places at once. And Filecoin adds the business model and incentives. It's an open marketplace, where customers pay for stored data, storage providers earn revenue for storing it, and prices are set by supply and demand, creating a competitive global storage market. And Filecoin doesn't just trust providers, it verifies them. Storage providers must regularly prove using cryptography that they stored the data correctly and that they are still storing it over time. This creates a verifiable guarantee, not just service-level promises. If you're evaluating crypto projects, look at how they pay participants so they can do the real work. Incentives tell you more than marketing will ever do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.